interface. When it comes to actually using the Amazfit Stratos, those who are comfortable with smartwatch interfaces will likely be befuddled by what's on offer here. Similar at times to Wear OS, it's tough to get a sense of how you're supposed to navigate Amazfit's proprietary software at a given moment. Sure, the required Amazfit Watch app walks you through it, but you'll likely need to practice for a few minutes before it feels somewhat natural. Even then, it's still unintuitive for tech with a touchscreen. The button wrapped in red trimming is the power button, but it also acts to navigate backward in the user interface, which has 13 pages to sort through, though you can disable ones that you deem unnecessary through the Amazfit Watch app. Opposite from the power button, there's another button that can navigate the other direction through the interface. Alternatively, once you hit the power button, which acts to unlock the watch, you can swipe with your finger, a much easier option. However, it will still likely take you over 5–10 seconds to perform the task you're after. While working out, a whole other slew of controls are used to execute fitness-based tasks, and while they make sense on paper, in reality they couldn't feel more foreign. Using the touchscreen to navigate really is the easiest way to get around the Stratos, but that's not the case when you're working out. Difficult as it may be for those uninitiated to fitness watches, it pays to learn the button layout.